Number 52 is giving us a right triangle and asking us to solve for the hypotenuse, since that's across from the 90-degree angle. So basically they're asking us to use the Pythagorean theorem, and that theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the legs. Those are the two values that connect at the 90, and c is the hypotenuse, which is the side across from the 90-degree angle. So we can plug in 2 and 4 for a and b, 2 squared plus 4 squared, and x is our c, and we're trying to solve for x. So before we can add these together, we need to square both of them. 2 squared is 4, 4 squared is 16. Then we add them together. The last step here to get x from x squared is to square root both sides. Square root x squared is x, and square root 20 is square root 4 times square root 5, which simplifies to 2 square root 5. So that's our final answer for the length of the hypotenuse. For number 53, it's another Pythagorean theorem problem where they're trying to have us solve for a side that is not the hypotenuse, because across from the 90 is the hypotenuse, and that's length 11. So this is our hypotenuse, and these two other values are the legs. So in terms of a squared plus b squared equals c squared, x is one of the a or b, I'll just call it a, 8 is the other one, and c, the hypotenuse, is 11. So the first thing we're going to do is to square the 8 and square the 11, and then we need to isolate x squared by subtracting 64 from both sides. So we will get x squared equals 57. So since x squared equals 57, the square root of x squared is the square root of 57. And that has no perfect square factors, so that would be our final answer. So x equals square root 57 is the length of the unknown side. Please subscribe for more math tips.